Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete process of creating a smart link inside OGAds, then building a simple landing page where we'll add that smart link. After that, I will also show you how you can bring free USA traffic to your landing page in a safe and effective way. This video is only for educational and informational purposes, so make sure you watch it till the end and learn how the process actually works. I'm going to share with you step by step how you can create a professional setup for your CPA campaigns. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can go on Google and you can search your OGAds. Here you can see review of OGAds. Here you can see office. You can visit on this URL. Guys, you can use OGAds to monetize your website, blog, app or social media accounts. Here you can see overview of OGAds network. First of all, you will have to create account on this network. You can click on sign up button. You will then come to this page. You can type your username, email address, password. You can repeat your password and then you can click on next step button. You can type your first name, last name. You can type here your address. You can select here your country and then click on next step button. They will ask you some questions. Here you can see they are asking how did you hear about OGAds? You can type your social media or YouTube. How long have you been doing CPA? You can select here month. What are your monthly earnings? You can choose any of this option. It's up to you. Please list current networks you are sending traffic to. You can type your Craig Revenue Network, CPA Grip Network. You can type your any CPA network. They are asking what verticals are you working with. You can type your sweepstakes, dating, email submit. You can type your any verticals. What traffic sources will you use to promote our offers and monetization tools? You can type your I have a website. My website is getting good traffic from Google. My website is ranking on Google search engine. I want to promote OGAds CPA offer on my website. They are asking list your current content logging landing pages you are running. You can type here your website URL. You can provide your any of this contact information. You can type your Skype ID or you can type here your Telegram ID. After that, you can click on next step button. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. You can verify this captcha. At last, you can click on finish button. Guys, you can get approval from OGAds network within 24 hours. After creating account on this platform, you can click on tools button. Now you can click on Smart Links button. You will then come to this page. Here you can see I have created two smart links. Here you can see name. Here you can see date and here you can see revenue. You can click on create a smart link button. Now you can type your smart link name. You can type your notes. Now you can type your redirect URL. When user will complete the CPA offer, then they will be redirected on this URL. You can type your movie URL, website URL. You can log any kind of important URL. I'm going to log here movie URL. You can visit on MX Player platform. Here you can see there are a lot of movies available on this platform. You can copy URL of any of this movie. If you want, you can also visit on YouTube and you can copy URL of any of this movie. It's up to you. I'm going to copy movie URL from MX Player platform. You can click here to play this movie. Here is showing URL of this movie. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on OGAds network. You can paste here that URL. You can paste here also. Now I'm going to add CPA offers in this smart link. Click on offers. Click on add offer button. You can choose your country. I'm going to choose your United States. Now you can click here. You can click here. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. Here you can see accepted country. It's United States. Here you can see accepted device. Here you can see payout rates. You can click here to add this CPA offer in your smart link. You can add all these CPA offers in your smart link. Now in next step what you will have to do is you can click here, you can scroll down, click on create a smart link button. Yeah, here we go. I have successfully created a smart link. You can click on actions button, click on view details button. Here you can see my smart link is active. Here is showing a smart link. You can use this link to promote. Guys, you can see I have added my blogger website. If you want to add your website, then you can click here. Now you can click on add my domain button. You can click here. You can also visit on tools section. Here you can see custom domains option. You can also click here. Now you can click on add your domain button. You can paste here your website URL and then you can click on add domain button. In next step you will have to create landing page. Guys, you can also insert this smart link on your website. You can promote this smart link on your website. I'm going to create simple landing page to insert this smart link. You can visit on bolt.new platform. Guys, this is a great AI platform. You can use this platform to make attractive websites. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on get started button. You can sign in with Google or you can click here. You can click here. You can type here your email address. You can type your username. You can type your password. You can confirm password. You can verify this captcha. At last, you can click on sign up button. Now you can type your prompt. You can type your simple prompt. You can type your this kind of prompt. Now you can click here. You can click on attach file button. You can choose movie poster. Click on open button. Now you can click on this button. Guys, it will take some time to make landing page. Here you can see this platform has built a great landing page. This platform has added a smart link on this button. You can click on publish button. Now click on publish button. Here is showing URL of this landing page. You can also choose custom domain. You can buy new domain. Or you can add a domain you own. You can click here to edit this domain. You can click on save button. Here is showing short URL of this landing page. You can click here to copy this URL. Guys, you can share your landing page on social media platforms to get visitors. I'm going to share with you best platform to get lots of visitors from United States. I wanna share with you this platform USAOnline.us. Guys, this is a best platform to get visitors from United States. Here you can see there are a lot of people advertising their product and services on this platform. Let me show you how you can advertise your landing page. You can click here. Here you can see subscription plan. Free, starter, basic, enhance, launch, grow, expand. If you buy this subscription plan, then you can get all of these benefits. You can get 1500 profile views. You can get profile page SEO. I'm going to choose your free plan. Click on this button. In free plan, you can get all of these features. You can click here. Now you can type here your full name, mobile number, email address. You can re-enter email ID, password. You can confirm password. You can click on create account button. Now you can verify your email address. You can click on continue button. Now you can log in on this platform. Now you can click here to post free classified ads. You can click here. Guys, these are the premium package. I'm going to choose free package. You can select this option. Click on this button. Now you can type your zip code. You can select your state. Guys, you can go on Google and you can search your crowded states in USA. These are the crowded states. You can select your state. I'm going to select New York. Select your city. Guys, New York City is a crowded city in USA. You can type your zip code. You can scroll down. You can choose your category according to your landing page. You can choose your subcategory. You can scroll down. You can type your title. You can type your description. You can upload your image. You can visit on your landing page. You can copy any of this text. Now you can go on this platform. You can type here that text. Now you can type your description. You can visit on your landing page. You can copy this text. Now you can paste here. You can paste here your landing page URL. You can visit on your landing page. You can click here. Here is showing landing page URL. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on this website. You can paste here. You can scroll down. You can upload your image. You can click here. You can upload your movie related image. Now you can scroll down. You can read and accept its terms of service. You can click on this button. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, your classified ads has been posted successfully. Click on OK button. Here is showing ad status. After approval, my advertisement will be active. Guys, you can also share your landing page on Facebook groups. You can search your movie. Now click on groups button. You can enable public groups. You can select your city. You can select New York City. Here you can see there are a lot of groups related to movie. All these groups have thousands of members. If you will share your landing page on this group, then you can get lots of visitors. You can simply click here to join this group. You can click here to open this group. Now you can click here. You can type your title and description. You can visit on your landing page. You can copy this text. Now you can visit on Facebook. You can paste that text. You can upload your image. You can also type your hashtag. You can paste here your landing page URL. You can visit on your landing page. You can click here. Click here to copy this URL. Now visit on Facebook. You can paste your landing page URL. Now at last you can click on post button. Guys, here you can see I have successfully created post in this group. My post will be reached to all these members. This group have more than 4,000 members. Similarly, you can share your landing page in all of these groups. You can get lots of visitors from United States on your landing page. When people from United States visit on your landing page and they will click on this button, then OGAds network will show CPA offers according to visitors. When that visitor will complete the required step, then they will be redirected on this URL and you will be able to generate conversion. So friends, you can use this method to generate conversions. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.